What up, YouTube? Today, I am going to be replacing these nasty seats that came with the F350. So, yeah, as you can see here, I'll get out and show you. This seat has the most damage for sure. Look at that. Don't even got this. You know, this has been hurting my back. I need to sit straight. But yeah, if you have any old car seat, these are always messed up, especially on these Ford trucks. But the nice thing is, I did find a set from the junkyard that I was able to score. Actually, I'll show you them. They're super nice, and yeah, they're almost perfect junkyard condition. And the nice thing is they bolt right in. Oh, there's a little water puddle there. Vinyl floor, nice. But yeah, they bolt right in. All it is if you need help on taking this out, super simple. All you do, I'll push this back. All right, there's a bolt right there. There's two bolts right here. This bolt will hold in both the legs for this middle seat. And then let me push this back. And yeah, just back here, there's these two bolts. You just take this little topper off of there, and yeah, so you just take this little piece out, and then yeah, you just unbolt that like normal. It's actually really simple. It seems a lot harder than it actually is. So yeah, we're gonna be taking these seats out and getting some new ones in there. All right, here are the seats that we are going to be putting in here. As you can see, they're Valeria seats. I got them out of the 06 from the pick and pull. I think I paid like $300, but I ended up getting the door panels and a lot of the trim out of the other one, and ended up reselling it. So I think all in, I'm probably into these seats for like $20, to be honest. So yeah, I got a really good deal. Sometimes you're not so lucky to find, you know, a good deal. I see these going online for like $600 and they're still messed up all day. Yeah. They got the heated seat function. Super nice. Electric. Super nice. And big thing for me, cup holders. My cup holders in my car are messed up right now, so it's gonna be nice to have cup holders right here. And yeah, this should look pretty nice, even though it's not tan. You know, who cares? It's leather. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm about to start the install on the Tonka. But yeah, now's a good time to kind of let you see my garage. We got my roommate's R3, my other roommate's newer R3, the door that's going on the Ford in a later video, CBR 600 for my roommate, and my roommate's dirt bike. We got a ton of tools here, seat sitting right here, more tools. You can see it's a pretty decent setup. So yeah, I'm gonna get started working on this thing. Alright guys, I'm being super lazy here, but come here, look at this. Oh, it looks nasty in there. But look, it doesn't need this plug, so I'm just gonna cut the top part of it off, and the dude who's doing the electrical can get the new part in. So I don't gotta do that. Alright, guess it ripped. Look what I found here. Casing, some change. Most of this stuff is nasty. I'm gonna try to clean this out. Bruh, this stuff is crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get it in there. Move all that dirt. RIP this. Wow. I wish every bolt were that easy. Okay. This should be done with this side. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like after you got the seats out. Maybe a little bit dirtier, maybe a little bit cleaner. My truck is there's some stuff in it right now, so yeah. So yep, I'm gonna clean all this off right there. But yeah, should look pretty good. That didn't take too long to uninstall. But I'm not gonna lie, the install might take longer just because I can't move the seats up. And I remember when I took them out of a junkyard car, it sucked. So we'll see. Okay, first you're gonna want to start off with the middle section. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Got this cleaned up. Maybe I need to wipe this a little more. But yeah, got it all clean for the most part. So yeah, I'm gonna get this in. All right, now we got this middle seat in. Bolts right in here. You'll leave these the front two bolts, not locked in, because that's also gonna bolt in the front seats as well. And yeah, catch you guys when we're back. All right, I got this seat in. Have not gotten it bolted yet, but I'm running into an issue on the other seat. This was going too smoothly, guys. No way you work on something and nothing goes wrong. So this bolt, I'll show you guys right here. This bolt is stuck in here, and yeah, it is not letting me. There's a stud for this one. It uses a bolt, so it's not gonna fit on there. And the seat has no power, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to maybe adjust the seat forward. I'm not sure. We'll see. We found a solution of a problem. Jake, what do you have to say?
It's gonna be all right.
It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I'll get this. All right. Watch my form. When you don't have glasses, what you want to do is split. This is what happens when you're just eating through metal. It's gonna never blow. Alright guys, so looks like this bracket is bent. Like I said, no job can go too smooth. So we're gonna have to heat this up and bend that out, and then this can go in. But yeah, we got the bolt out. We cut it out. So, yep. Alright, let me go ahead and show you what the seats like. They look super nice. As you can see, we got the cup holder in here. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, I've had these seats in for a little bit now. They're super comfortable. But yeah, whatever you want to see next on the truck, just let me know. And yeah, let me know. And we'll get that done. Wow, look how nice it looks in the sun. This thing looks good. This thing looks good. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.